This week we shall practice conscious living. And for conscious living, I have picked up 3 important activities from your daily routine. The first activity is taking the morning cup of tea or coffee. The second activity is taking bath. And the third activity is having dinner. In all these 3 activities, you have to practice conscious living. Practicing conscious living means while you are involved in any specific activity, for example, you are taking a cup of tea in the morning, bring total awareness to sipping the cup of tea and be absolutely involved with this activity. Total awareness and absolute involvement in that activity. It means you have confined your whole world only to that specific activity. Only that specific activity is remaining. The whole world has disappeared from your mind. You have become that specific activity. So that is the way you have to practice conscious living in all these 3 activities. If you sincerely practice conscious living, you will pass through 2 powerful experiences. First, you will find that even small mundane things of life have become many times more pleasurable and joyful. If you are present in the act of sipping a cup of tea, you will find that the experience of taking a cup of tea has become many times more joyful an experience. As of now, you must be taking a cup of tea, but you hardly remember as to how it felt. Very many people do not even notice it. As of now, you simply finish the cup of tea just mechanically like a robot. Secondly, your obsession with the future will start fading away gradually. As of now, you are every time involved only in future. You are thinking of the future, you are living in future. But if you have started practicing conscious living, you will find that the future will stop taking possession of you. You will stop being dragged by future so frequently, and you will develop the knack of living in the present. Please start with these 3 activities, but let conscious living prevail in all the activities and areas of your life. Start living consciously, and if you can promise me this much, I can promise you enlightenment in times to come. Thank you.